Now we should complete the work given in vocabulary. First one, give the opposites of the following words. Give the opposites of the following words. Here 6 words are given. First one is more. What is the opposite of more? We should write here. Next, second, remember. Opposite of remember we should write here. Third one, always. Always, opposite of it we should write here. Next, first. We should write the opposite of first here. Next, soft. Opposite of soft we should write here. 6 number, near. Opposite of near we should write here. Like this, we should complete all these vocabulary V1 part. Next, V2. Match the words in column A with the names column B. Here A, B and the answers should be written here. In the part A, sage is given. Sage means sadhu. Next, boys, cow, storyteller, friends. In B part, Lucy and Nitin, Lakshmi, Raman Maharshi, dogs and grandmother. Now we should match the words. Sage, Raman Maharshi. Boys, dogs. Cow, Lakshmi. Storyteller, grandmother. Friends, Lucy and Nitin. Like this, V1 and V2 part we should complete and write in your notebook. Now, V3. Find one word for each of the following from the lesson. Find one word for each of the following from the lesson. We should find a word from the lesson. First one is coming back. Coming back means परत येणे. Coming back म्हणजे परत येणे. Now we should find a word from the lesson which means coming back. Second one, slow movement of the snake. Slow movement of the snake. सापाची सावकाश अशी हालचाल. That word is given in the lesson that we should write over here. Next, third one, a place where sages live. म्हणजे साधू राहतात ती जागा. That word is also given in the that we should write over here. A place where sages live, a word we should find from the lesson. Now comprehension part. C1. Answer the following. Answer the following. First one. Where were Lucy and Nitin going? Where were Lucy and Nitin going? Now answer is Lucy and Nitin were returning home from school. The answer is Lucy and Nitin were returning home from school. Second question. What did they see? The answer is they saw a man walking with his pet dog. Third question. Why were the animals attracted towards Maharshi? Answer is, the animals were attracted towards him because he spoke with them just he spoke with people. Fourth question. Where did Ramana Maharshi keep the animals? Answer is, he kept the animals in his ashram. Fifth question. What happened one day when he was sitting by the hillside? Answer is, a snake crawled over his leg when he was sitting on the hillside. Sixth question. How did he feed the peacocks? Answer is, Raman Maharshi called peacocks by making sounds of their cries. He fed them first and ate after them. Seventh question. Why did Raman Maharshi not allow anyone to kill snakes? Raman Maharshi did not allow anyone to kill snakes because he thought that we have come to their homes and no right to trouble them. Eighth question. Who told stories to Lucy? Answer is, the grandmother told stories to Lucy. Students, read and write the homework in your notebook. Thank you.